Yo, first order just came in. McDonald's, $6.75, going about 3 miles. Just about to pull in too, so I doubt it's ready, but here we are.
B61.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Also, apparently today is a holiday. We'll see how that affects restaurants being open or not. Total ended up being $7.25. Small hidden tip on that one. Next order up is for Burger King. $14 and some change, going about 5 miles. Yeah, looking at the order, it's not a lot of food. My payout is probably the same amount as whatever they paid for their food. It's highly unlikely that I'm getting this full tip. Not even open. Oh my God, don't do this to me, man.
Thank you for choosing Burger King. What can I get started for you? Close to the second window. Lines are ready for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bit of a wait, but at least it wasn't closed. Shout out to DoorDash for making a great app. Been receiving orders this whole time, but when I go and try to pause my dash, my pause timer has been running the whole time. So regardless, it's gonna end my dash in like 5 minutes. Anyways, I got my next order. It's for a Starbucks. I believe it said like $9 going 5 miles. Hello. Thank you so much. You know, for all the directions that guy just gave me to drop off, none of them mentioned to go straight at the stop sign when the GPS was telling me to go left about 1 block away. Next order up is a McDonald's. I think it said $8 for 5 miles. Thank you. You too. Mirador. Oh my goodness. You get over there. Dude, these people. Dude, these people, and they're impossible to follow directions. GPS takes me to the middle of the street and doesn't even tell me where to go.
Yeah, it's confusing.
Thank
you so much.
Anyways, 10 minutes later, got another McDonald's order. Same location, pretty much same order details now that I'm thinking about it. Thank you. That's a chunky bag. All right, my next order just came in. It's a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $14 going about 4 miles, only 4 items. I've only done these for Uber a couple of times in the past. If I remember correctly, the process is pretty much the same. I'm looking at the order and it looks like it's all cold medicine. So it should be easy if everything is in stock. If I remember correctly, everything should be down this way. This.
Make a right turn.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Just got my next order. It is a Starbucks, $12 going about 3 miles.
These 2 bags, okay?
Thank you. Quite the wait in there. They were hustling, but they were super backed up on orders. Just got this Seize the Bagel order, $6.75 going like 2 miles. Thank you. You too. Love your hair, by the way. Time is 10:11. Total after I drop this one off is gonna be $70 roughly, plus a bunch of Uber tips. Most of my day has been Uber, so still waiting on tips. Pretty good so far. I kind of expected a lot more closed restaurants. And the streets are pretty dead, which I love. Cuts down a lot of my time. Total ended up being $10.75. Really good order. So I just got this Chick-fil-A order, $6.75 going like 2 miles, right next to the restaurant, and it's only one item, so it might be ready. There's straw in the bag?
Yes, there is.
Always upstairs. Got my next order right away. This one is for Krispy Kreme, $10.25 going about 5 miles. This location is very hit or miss.
Then turn right.
But I'm close by, so if I have to unassign, it's not much of a loss. Drive-through is packed.
You've arrived.
Lobby closed, drive-through open. Nope, that's an unassigned. Next order up is for Firehouse subs. Total was $12 and some change for about 6 miles. I'm almost here already, but this place is really slow, so I'm gonna be waiting for a while. I already know that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Have a good day. That was such a bad order. They had me waiting at the restaurant for almost 15 minutes, which I never do. I should have just canceled it. But I was in the mindset of, this is my last order, I'm just gonna push through it. Plus there was so much traffic on the way here. And on top of that, I'm like on the edge of the zone. So I'm so far away from where I wanna be. Anyways, I'm gonna leave the apps on just in case. I'm gonna start heading home. Current time is 11:33. Current total is just about 130-ish, with a couple Uber tips yet to come in. Should put me up around 150. Pretty good day overall. A lot of good payouts. Don't know if that has anything to do with it being a holiday or not. Maybe because it's Friday. Really hard to tell, but I appreciate it either way. That's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.